Hello dear children, I hope you all are having lot of fun studying in our virtual classes, right? Okay, so today before we begin with anything, I'm going to take a small test. Yes, don't get scared and don't worry, this is not a writing test, this is an oral test. You have to listen to my instructions and give me the right answer. It's going to be very easy. Actually, do you remember we had done sight words? I had shown you some words and we did the practice of reading. So, reading practice ho gayi? Are you done with the practices? Do you remember all the words we did? Perfect. I'm going to take the reading practice and the test of some new words today. So, are you ready for the test? Yes? All the best. Think before you answer, and remember, you have only 5 seconds to answer right. Ready for the test? Let's get started.
As we decided, we shall be having a small test on sight words. But before that, do you all remember the words we did last time? If yes, show teacher a thumbs up. I can see only few thumbs up. What happened to others? You don't remember them all? There are very few thumbs up, children. If you remember the words we did last time, show teacher a big thumbs up. Alright, I'll wait for another 3 seconds and then we'll get ready for the test. 1, 2, 3. So, are you ready, children? Shall we start the test? Okay, it's going to be very easy. So now what you have to do is, you just have to choose the correct word. Teacher is going to say a word. You have to listen it carefully and you have to find the correct spelling of the word. Now, there are going to be some options on your mobile screen. Alright? You have to choose the correct spelling and move your finger. You move your pointer finger over the right spelling. Just like we do it for circle the odd one out, or sometimes just to circle a word, we move our finger in a circle direction. You're going to do the same way. Okay, and if your answer is right, the word automatically becomes big. Is right, we must celebrate, isn't it, children? So if your answer is right, then after every correct answer, you are going to clap one time and say Yahoo! You're going to clap one time and say Yahoo! So we are going to celebrate if your answer is right. So let's find out who gets the best score. Should we start, children? You're forgetting something. Let's put on our thinking caps. Switch on your computers. Open your big elephant ears. And we shall start with the test on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Listen carefully, children. And don't forget to move your finger over the right word. Teacher is going to say the word only 2 times. So pay attention and do it. Ready? If. Did you find the right word? Yes, this is if. Perfect. Can. Children, where is can? The right one or the left one? With your pointer finger, just make a circle across the word. Done. So, Mr. Computer, Mr. Mobile, tell me which is the right word? Children, was your answer the same? Yahoo! Next one. Like. Children, which is the like word? The right one or the left one? Just move a finger. So, Mr. Mobile, tell me which is the right word? Yay! Little. Children, I'm getting confused now. Can you please help me which is the word little? This one. Yes, that's right. For. Easy peasy lemony squeezy, you got it just in a jiffy. Yes, that's right, children. His. Oh, super easy. Easy peasy lemony squeezy, you got the right answer. Yay, bingo. But what? Confused? You're not getting it? Acha, you got it. Yes, that's right, children. Did. Make sure you are moving your finger across the right word. Otherwise, Mr. Mobile is not going to tell us the right word. Yes, that's right. My. Children, which one? Abracadabra? The right one or the left one? Right one. Yes, that's right, children. Wow, that's amazing. So now you know few words. Now should I make a test a little difficult? I know this is going a little easy. Should we make it difficult? What say? Chalega? Show me a thumbs up if you're okay with the difficult test. Should we give it a try then? Yes? Let's do it. So this time I'm going to give you 4 options. Look at all the 4 options carefully, children. Listen to my word and find out the correct word. And you know, if you find the right word, you just have to move your pointer finger over the screen. And the computer screen or the mobile screen will tell us if our answer is right or wrong. Ready? Tell me the word they. They. Children, actually even I am confused with so many words. Can you tell me which word is they? First, second, third, fourth, which one? Oh, here it is. T-H-E-Y, they. Bingo. Said. Yay, that's right. Okay, next one. Who. Easy peasy lemony squeezy. Kya baat hai, children? You found out amongst 4 different spellings. Bingo. So the answer is W-H-O, who. Not. Yay, that's right. That's not. N-O-T, not. That. Now, children, I'm actually confused. Is it T-H-A-T? T-H-E-Y? Children, please help me. Is it the left word or the right word? Move your pointer finger so teacher gets to know it. So, Mr. Mobile Screen, tell me which is the right answer. Yay! Children, was your answer the same for that? Oh, almost all of you. Am. Easy peasy lemony squeezy again. Super easy. Okay, alright. And. Easy. Yes, that was easy. Or. Hey, you got it right, children. Now it's going to be difficult. Tell me which word is my. Super easy. कहाँ पे my? मुझे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? What's the spelling, children? Please tell me the spelling. I'll find it out on my screen. M-Y, my. Oh yes, that's the answer. M-Y, my. Next. Do. Kya? Very easy. Oh, is it, children? It's very easy. D-O, do. Oh, yes, D-O, do. That's right, children. Awesome, children. You did an amazing job in that test. I think you have got all your answers right. So, as we decided, we have to clap and say Yahoo. So, let's celebrate. Clap for yourself, pat yourself, and loudly say Yahoo. Yay, that was so much fun, isn't it? Good job, children. So good, you remember all the words. Now let's move ahead. You just have to look at the word and read it loud, okay? If you know the word, you're going to read it loud. If you don't know, then you're going to repeat after teacher. You're just going to read all the words once. Let's do it, children, and make sure you say it loud because in the test, not everyone was making a circle. Now you will think that teacher is not seen. Then how does teacher get to know that who is doing and who is not doing? Teacher has some special magic and she gets to know. So make sure you say the words very loud. Ready? If you know it, you can read it. If no, then you have to wait for teacher to say and then you have to repeat. Oh. As, who, get, will, have, of, to, can, me, not, this, him, my, look, little, for, we, had, get, who, one, is, I, if, on, be, to, you, is, like, look, come, big, did, do, up, this, that, he, or her, where, they, at, all, who, had, she, her. Well done, children. We are done with the test. Bingo. That was amazing. You have done all the sight words. Superb. Yahoo! So you have done an amazing job, children. And I think all the scores that you have got is superb. I think you have found out all the words right and you could read them amazingly. Isn't it, children? Wasn't it fun? So before we do some more new sight words, I have small activity for you. But teacher has got one small problem. I cannot hear you children talking loudly and replying to me. Are you sleepy? Are you tired? नींद आ रही है. Breakfast नहीं किया. Energy नहीं है body में. You all look so dull. Are you not enjoying the words we are doing? Okay, well. Before we move on for some new words, I'll give you small activity. Close your eyes. No cheating, see I can see you. I told you children this is Mr. Computer or your Mr. Mobile has got a special camera that allows me to see you. So close your eyes. Now listen to my riddle carefully. If you answer the riddle right, we will start with the sight words. And if you go wrong, I'm going to give you one chance to think. Alright? So now, let's get started. Listen to my riddle carefully. They are of different shapes. They are of different colors. You fill in air, it becomes big. You take out the air, it becomes small. Think and tell me, what am I? This is of different shapes and different colors. You fill in air, it becomes big. You take out the air, it becomes small. Socho what it is. Aram se take your time, think and tell me. And if you know the answer, you can say it loud and show a thumbs up to me. Alright?
I'm super happy, children. You performed so well for the test. Clap for yourself. Good job. Wow. So you know a lot of words, isn't it? Your brain has got so many words in it. I am happy with it. But yes, we are not going to stop there. We have to give some more words in our brain so that our brain has a very big dictionary of words. So should we start with some few more words? And remember, you have to repeat after me loudly. Okay, you just don't have to look to teacher and listen. You have to say also. Should we start it?
It's time for us to get some more new sight words. Ready, children? Let's read together. Make sure you repeat after teacher. Eat. Eat. Some. Old. Man. Was. An. Yoo-hoo, children, we completed few words, but I couldn't hear you. Little louder next time. Ready? Make sure you speak it louder. After. Before. No. With. Are. All. Very. Good. So. Give. Yes, this time it was little better than before, a little more louder, children, when you are going to say the words. Okay, let's get started. Take. From. Down. Put. How. Make. Here. Much. Them.
them, then, okay, children, now close your eyes, open, close, open, close, open your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes, close your eyes, and open. Day, day. New, new. Long, long. Your, other, which, what, work, there, today, woohoo, yahoo. Clap for yourselves on the count of 5. Ready? 1 clap, 2 clap, 3 4 5. Yay. Next one. Wood, bean, about, again, any, many, just, are, when, were, Yippee, we completed our words. Bingo, children. So now you know lots of words.